Good morning everyone, hope everyone's good. Another day slabbing. So what we're going to do is get all this all cleared all off and then potentially try and get this little section in here today. It's meant to rain about 1 o'clock onwards, so I think it doesn't. And I'll see you in a bit, guys. How you doing everyone? So we gave all these a bit of a clean today. The weather's we just don't know what it's doing, so we started laying this here and the heavens open. So I said to Ashley, what we'll do is just wait a little bit. So we started getting all this bit all levelled all off, got all the soil from there, put it all into those flower beds there, put all our DPC along the edge there as well to protect the sleepers, and then it just generally doesn't know what to do with itself. It's meant to chuck it down from 2 o'clock onwards, and obviously I can't be bothered to get the mix again, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better tomorrow. I think it's maybe a rain day off, I'm not too sure. Met Off is saying it's going to be a 60% to 80% to 90% to 100% to 10%. So generally it's either going to rain or it isn't, so fingers crossed it doesn't, because we're winning and I'd love to get this one done by Friday. So thanks again guys, and I'll see you in a bit.